Hello and welcome. This is the second part of Portainer on Kubernetes. First, active required modules for Portainer. Now modules are ready. Storage takes some time to get ready. Use Kubernetes to check storage status. Then simple enable Portainer. Now Portainer is ready. Quickly check Portainer port is at 9000. OK, first set admin password. Then select Kubernetes for micro-8s or other Kubernetes environments. Then enable proper load balancer like ingress. Enable storage micro-8s host path. Let's try spin up Gitlab-ce with Portainer. Set container name with lowercase and image. Then add 3 persisted storage folders. Select proper sizes like 1 GB or more for its folders. Last open ports from container 2280 and 443. Node side ports are visible from outside, so use those to access Kubernetes services. Let's check GitLab status. Container is ready. Now let's open GitLab. GitLab is on cluster IP and ports 30,081. Thanks for watching and see you soon.